Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today I will tell you one more question of chapter number 3rd matrices. Previous year's questions, board question, chapter number 3rd. Question number 1, write the order of question number 1, write the order of the product 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. Write the order of the product of the matrix. Question number 1, write the product of the matrix. You know that order of this matrix, that is row into column, that is 3 into 1, you can say 3 into 1, clear? And the order of this matrix, you know that 1 into 3, row into column, 1 row and 3 column. Now can you tell me the order of their product? Order of AB, you can say matrix multiplication is possible. Matrix multiplication is possible because number of column of first matrix and the number of row of second matrix are equal. It means matrix multiplication is possible. So therefore order of this matrix is this. Order of this matrix is 3 into 3, you can say. Order of the matrix 3 into 3. First question. Second, you know that if A transpose is equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is equal to minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now can you calculate A transpose minus B transpose? Calculate A transpose minus B transpose. Here, A transpose, you know, A transpose that is 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, A transpose minus B transpose. Transpose of this. Transpose means change row into column. Minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. If transpose, you know, the properties of transpose already you know. A transpose, whole transpose, that is A. Correct? And you know very well about this property. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This is the reversal law of transpose. Clear? Or you can say AB whole transpose, that is A transpose plus B transpose, and KA whole transpose, that is K into A transpose. Now can you subtract their corresponding elements? 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 3. This is the answer. Here, one more question. Previous year's board question. Question number 3rd. A is a square matrix. A square is equal to A is a square matrix. Then write the value of I plus A whole square minus PA. A is a square matrix. A square is equal to A. Then what is the value of I plus A whole square minus 3? Yes, simplify this question. I square plus A square plus 2 IA minus 3A. You know about the property, you know very well. AI is equal to IA. You know about this property. According to this property, I square I, when you multiply identity matrix, I into I into I, that is also I is the unit matrix, identity matrix. And I square A given, I square is equal to A given, and 2 AI, in place of AI you can write A minus 3A. Therefore, you can say I is the answer. 3A minus 3A cancel. Correct? This is question number 3rd. Fourth question. For what value of A the matrix is skew symmetric? Fourth. For what value of X the matrix A is skew symmetric? 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 3 X minus 3 0. For what value of A the matrix is skew symmetric? You know that skew symmetric mean A transpose is equal to minus A. This is the condition of skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. This is the condition of skew symmetric. Clear? A transpose is equal to A. A transpose is equal to A. And symmetric matrix, you know, symmetric A transpose is equal to A, that is called a symmetric matrix. And in skew symmetric matrix, all the diagonal element 0. All the main diagonal element 0. Clear? This is the condition. And you know that very well that determinant of square matrix is always 0. Now, according to that property, you know that A transpose is equal to minus A. Therefore, A transpose, the transpose is this 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, X, minus 3, 0, and negative of this matrix, negative of this, that is 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 3, minus X 3 0. Here. Now, on comparing the corresponding element, you know that what is the value of X? Value of X is equal to 2. This is the answer. When you compare this quantity, then also value of X is equal to 2. Which means the answer of this question is X is equal to 2. What is the question? For what value of A? For what value of A is a skew symmetric matrix? Here. This is the solution of this question. Next question. Write the element of A2. Question number 6. Write the element of A1 2. You know that A is equal to Aij 2 cross 2, whose element Aij is given e to the power 2 I x sin jx. Write the element of A2, small a to mean element of the matrix A is equal to Aij 2 cross 2, whose element Aj is given by Aij is equal to e to the power I x sin jx. and you want to calculate in this question A12. A12. It means the value of I1 and the value of J is 2. Put 1 here and put here 2. Therefore, e to the power 2x sine, put here 2, that is 2x. This is the answer. One more question. Simple question. Next question. 7. 1, 2, 3. Question number 7. Write the number of all possible matrices of 2 cross 2 with each entry 1, 2, 3. Write all the matrix. Write all the possible matrix of 2 cross 2. Write the number of all possible matrices of 2 cross 2 with each entry 0, 1, 2, 3. You know that if the matrix is 2 by 2, then there are 4 elements. Then there are 4 elements. Clear? And entry of each element is, entry of this element is 3 possible ways. Total possible ways of the entry of A11, that is 3 ways. 3 ways here, 3 ways here, 3 ways here, 3 ways here. Therefore, total number of all possible matrices, that is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, that is you can say 81. This is the answer of this question. What is the question? Write the number of all possible matrices of 2 cross 2 with each entry 1, 2, 3. The answer is 81. Clear? This is the question number 7. Next question. Next question 8. If A is equal to 0, 3, 2 minus 5 and Ka is equal to 0, 4a minus 8, 5b, then find the value of Ka and b. Find the value of Ka and b. This is the question. Find the value of K, A and B. You know that, put the matrix A here. 0, 3, 2 minus 5. That is 0, 4a minus 8, 5b. When you multiply by K, 0, 3k, 2k, minus 5k, 0, 4a, minus 8, 5b. Compare the corresponding element. When you compare this with this, when compare this with this, that is 2k is equal to minus 8, k is equal to minus 4, k is equal to minus 4. Compare this with this, that is 4a is equal to 3a, 4a is equal to 3k, put the value of k, minus 4, minus 12, therefore a is equal to minus 3. And compare this element, 5b is equal to minus 5k, therefore b is equal to minus k. Therefore, put the value of k here, minus 4. Therefore, b is equal to 4. Correct? This is the solution of question number 8. Correct? So, this one more question of chapter 3rd, matrix. Clear?
Okay, thank you.